Nerf Modulus Regulator review. So I won't have an unboxing today, unfortunately. I do have, so we'll go over what's included. The instructions, 24 darts, 2 12-dart clips, the storage stock, blaster itself, the, I forget what it's called, long barrel scope, the swivel handle, and the short barrel, which has the 2 attachments, which is cool for modulus stuff. Move those out of the way. So insert a clip, just like that. Clip release is right here, push that forward, pull the clip out. We have and then on the stock to put it in, make sure it's facing forward, same way you would a blaster, and just like that, and then pull it out. Simple. So put the handle in, the actual handle bit goes in like so. There you go. And to attach to the blaster, simply push it on. To remove, push down the orange pin there. There's one on each side. Push both down and pull it off. So there's your stock explanation. Blaster, so you have the stock attachment point, tactical rail, one on the top there, one on the bottom, the clip well, your rev trigger, fire blasting trigger, clip release, which I went over, the switch to control how many darts you want to blast at any given at once, and the jam door to open, push the button back, pull it up, clear it out, put it back down and push the button forward to lock it in place so you can use the blaster. Then we have the barrel attachment point to attach stuff. You just put it on like any other barrel attachment point, pull it off. This, was it the long barrel scope? I always forget what it's called. It has both the female and male attachment points, so you can build it, attach stuff to both sides like so. Remove, and you can put it on any rail like so. If I can get it off, put it on the bottom as a hold, a grip. Probably not the best grip, but it works if you want to use it for that. Then we've got the short barrel, which again has both attachment points, so you can put stuff on like so from both sides. It's got a rail on top and then this one on the bottom, so you can put something on the top and then put that on like so. Just in one example. Oops. I mean, you could put it on the bottom if you wanted to, like so. Right. To load the clips, I'm sure you all know how to do this, and you all have your own ways. You either push them in like so, or you push the dart down and load that way. However you want it, however you prefer, really. Doesn't. I think that way is just faster. Say you're in a Nerf battle and you need to load up a clip real quick, so you just push them in like that. I find that way is faster, but if you're preparing for a battle, you might prefer to push your darts down. Okay, so this blaster does take 4 C-size batteries, which go right here under this battery door. So So get your screwdriver, unscrew it, like so, and insert your 4 C-size batteries. Now I'm using these battery cases by N-Loop and rechargeable ever-ready AA batteries. Just going like so. It's a C-size case for AA batteries. Basically just lets you use your AA batteries, rechargeable AA batteries, instead of the C-size batteries in this case. You saw my Hyperfire review, I did use the same thing, but with D-size cases, obviously, since it's a D-size blaster. But this one takes 4 C-size batteries, or you can do what I'm doing and use a C-size shell type thing and for your AA batteries. And you just put them in like so, put the case on, screw it up, and you're good to go. So this blaster does require the 4 C-size batteries to function. Without them, it's basically a decorative piece. You can't blast the darts at all without the batteries. So, yeah, you need batteries for it to function. One thing I forgot to mention is the empty clip indicator, which I can put out. Clip, as you can see, is empty, so we'll put that in to show you. So if I move it up, go to fire, there's obviously no darts in the clip, light comes on, and it stays on for an absurd amount of time. It's painful waiting for it to stop blinking. There we go. So that's the ammo empty clip indicator. So we'll go to a blasting demonstration. Okay. Blasting demonstration, single fire. Three darts. That's better. And I'm out. And now we'll do full auto. And now we'll try and control the bursts. Yes. So you can do controlled bursts, it just takes a bit of practice to get the number of darts that you want. And now full auto hip fire using the swivel handle. I'm out. Again. Two fully loaded clips and full auto, because that's fun. Using the swivel handle. As you can see, I'm out. Reloading on the storage stock. There we go. I'm out. You like the scope? Because, you know, accuracy. No, I just put it next. I thought it was cool. And your barrel isn't as long, so the darts don't have as much area to bounce around in. Those of you who understand what I just said.